Ever tried editing a video for socials and spent hours slicing clips, adding subtitles, or fixing a mic glitch, only for it to still feel, well, clunky? If you've ever wished an I could just do all those boring edits and make your stuff look pro. That's exactly the hype around Videoexpress AI. But does it actually deliver, or is it just another flashy auto editor that misses the mark? Here's how Videoexpress AI works. You feed it a text prompt, upload some images or video files, and the AI generates slick edits, voiceovers, sound effects, animated scenes, even resizing for TikTok and YouTube all in one go. You get hundreds of templates and a consistent character feature for brand series and creators. The best part? No subscription, just a lifetime license. So you don't have to sweat monthly fees. Users on Trustpilot and Reddit are mostly loving the tool. Beginners rave about how easy and fast it is, pros dig the quality voiceover and subtitling, but deeper reviews mention downsides, like limits on video length unless you upgrade, slow rendering on large projects, and a few advanced editing features locked behind the paywall. Now, is it better than a human editor? For short form, fast turnaround stuff, it's amazing. Bulk edits, branded shorts, and templates are a breeze. But for storytelling, custom VFX, or wild creative tricks, pro editors still win. Think of Videoexpress as awesome for busy creators, marketers, and beginners. Maybe not for Oscar-winning documentaries? Here's a simple Excel chart in side by side. Videoexpress AI will speed up your edit game and nails viral content. But for deep cuts, humans still have the edge. Smash subscribe, catch another review, and keep leveling up your creative toolkit, because every edit counts.